Did you ever sit through an entire lecture, take pages and pages of notes, and still walk out thinking, I have no idea what's going on? You're not alone, and it's not because you're bad at nursing school. It's because of a little something called the Expert-to-Novice Gap. Here's what research shows. Experts think they're great at remembering what it was like to be a beginner, but they're notoriously bad at it. They've forgotten all of the nuance of what it was like to not know the things that they now take for granted. Not only that, but because thinking like a nurse is second nature for your nursing instructors, a lot of how they think is so automatic for their brains that it might as well be invisible to them. That's why your nursing instructor can explain things in a way that makes perfect sense to her, but leaves you and half your class completely lost. It's also why when you raise your hand at the end of class to ask what's going to be on the next test, that she rolls her eyes in frustration as if you're some kind of a lazy nursing student. Because in her mind, she did just spend an entire lecture explaining exactly what's on the exam. The only problem is that she did not connect the dots for your brain, so your novice brain can't understand any of what she said. It's like what happens when you, as an expert car driver, tries to teach somebody else how to drive. You might hand them the keys and say, start the car. That's a simple one-step process to you as the expert driver. Except to someone who's never driven a car before, that's like 100 steps to start the car. It requires adjusting the seat, checking the mirrors, buckling the seatbelt, pressing the brake pedal, and either turning the key or pressing the ignition button to get things started. Not to mention having a basic understanding of what all of the bells and whistles on the dashboard even mean. Your brain, as an expert driver, automatically rolls all those little steps into one big step. Start the car. But that didn't happen until you had the experience to allow it to happen. And that's easy to forget when a novice driver takes your keys and then is fumbling around in the driver's seat. Because here's the truth. Your nursing instructors are not bad teachers. They're just so far past the novice stage that they don't even notice the connections you're still missing as a new nursing student. And unfortunately, that ends up being frustrating for both of you. That's why nursing school ends up feeling like a blur of disconnected facts you desperately want to connect, but you're not being shown all those in-between steps that's going to make those connections make sense in a more easy way. So you struggle with memorizing instead of understanding, and you study harder, not smarter. And every time you don't follow along with what your instructor is saying, you start to wonder if maybe it's a you problem after all. As if maybe you're not actually smart enough for nursing school, when really it's just a mismatch in how things are being explained to you. That's exactly why I created the Silver Bullet Study System, an easy-to-follow way of studying that fixes the expert-to-novice gap by explicitly showing you how to think like a nurse using concrete steps. This allows you to become an independent self-learner who knows how to narrow down exam questions to 2 answer choices, but then chooses the correct answer choice. Because instead of continuing to memorize random details you remember from lecture, you actually understand what you're learning for once. And you understand it in a way that a novice nursing brain can grasp. And once you feel that shift, when lecture finally clicks and exams stop feeling like a guessing game, then studying becomes fun again because you can finally think like a nurse. If this sounds like what you've been missing, I have a free gift for you. Comment with SBSS, and I'll send you a free overview that shows exactly how this system helps you connect the dots so that lectures finally make sense, studying takes less time, and you actually feel confident walking into your exams.